This tutorial is brought to you by PE Prep Engine. Free study guides and practice questions at peprepengine.com.
PE Mechanical HVAC and Refrigeration, Week 6, the final week. A 12-video course on the brains of the HVAC system and the supporting knowledge the exam tests. How the system decides with controls, how it's arranged into system types, plus codes, acoustics and vibration, piping, humidification, and combustion. This closes out the 6-week HVAC course. Weeks 1 through 5 taught the equipment and the physics, how HVAC makes and moves heat. Week 6 is the brains and the breadth. First, how the system decides, controls, sensors, valves, dampers, loops, PID, and the Economizer. Second, how it's arranged, system types, constant volume and reheat, VAV, all air and all water. And third, the supportive knowledge the exam tests, codes, acoustics and vibration, piping, humidification, and combustion. Here's the one thing to know. This is the most cross-chapter and the most concept-heavy week of the course. Chapter 11 gives you the vocabulary and the diagrams, but the numbers you'll actually plug in are scattered. The HVAC chapter for mixed air temperature, acoustics, piping, and humidification. Machine design for the isolation physics, and combustion and fuels for stoichiometric air and heating values. Everything's printed. The skill is knowing which chapter to open, so watch the yellow pill. 2 traps define the supportive knowledge half of the week, and both punish autopilot. 1. Mixed air temperature is flow-weighted. The outdoor fraction times the outdoor temperature, plus the return fraction times the return temperature. Never a plain average, and it always lands between the two streams. 2. The L-bend formula mixes units on purpose. Expansion and pipe diameter go in as inches, but the leg length comes out in feet. Convert on autopilot, and it breaks. 4 exam topics live in sibling courses, so this week, points instead of repeating. Engineering economics is taught in full in Machine Design, Week 6, Lesson 3. Motor electrical, efficiency, power factor, 3-phase, is Thermal and Fluids, Week 6, Lesson 3. Fan performance is HVAC Week 4, and pumps are HVAC Week 5. All 4 playlists are linked in the description below. Let's start. Lesson 1 is control concepts, the sensors, actuators, valves, and dampers that let the system act, plus valve flow characteristics, authority, and sizing. Tap the next video to begin.